Hello everyone, I'm here with Yim Wing Chun, who the Wing Chun Kung Fu system is named after, to answer a few questions that I've received about this Saturday's Dad-Daughter Self-Defense Workshop. Yes, in the video yesterday, I mentioned if you had a teenage daughter, you could bring her. But of course, what I actually meant to say was teenage or older. So kind of 16 plus is probably best for a workshop like this. But yeah, any age daughter after that is absolutely fine. This workshop is designed for fathers and daughters to get together, have some fun, and learn some practical skills. I'm promoting this as a dad-daughter self-defense workshop because we're dealing with things like being grabbed by the wrists and the arms are controlled, or being grabbed from behind. But this workshop is really for anybody who wants to learn some great self-defense skills based on concepts and principles that can then be applied to all manner of different ways of defending yourself. Yes, that is true, but I do want to make sure that everybody who attends leaves here really fully understanding exactly how these things are done and how to train them on their own and get better. You're going to learn everything in the first couple hours, so if you do have to leave after that, that's totally fine. And I've got the last hour there to really make sure that if anybody has questions or wants to deepen their abilities and technique, they're able to do that. So we really make sure that everybody gets the most out of this workshop. Absolutely not. Unless you request a demonstration, then I will be happy to oblige. What I am going to teach is how to punch fast and with power, and how to develop more and more power as you train. As far as the intensity goes, we're not going to be beating the crap out of each other in here. The idea is to show the principles, the concepts, and the techniques that are overlaid on top. And then we train at whatever level of intensity we feel like with our partner. And as time goes on, eventually, of course, we do want to ramp up to training as hard as we can manage. But that comes in the future of what you're comfortable with as time goes on.